This standard depth French door refrigerator by GE is from the Profile collection. It has a fresh food capacity of 18.5 and a freezer capacity of 19.7 for a total of 27.67 cubic feet. It has a great case, fingerprint-resistant front, 3 color-matched handles, and an external ice and water dispenser with autofill. All controls for the refrigerator and freezer are located on the dispenser. Inside is LED showcase lighting, a water filter, and 5 spill-proof tempered glass shelves. The 4 half shelves are adjustable. One glides backward to allow room for taller items, and the bottom shelf is stationary. Below the shelves are 2 humidity-controlled crispers and 1 full-width electronic temperature-controlled drawer with a divider bar and separate preset temperatures for meats, beverages, and deli. On the doors is a dairy compartment, a drop-down tray for added storage, and 6 bins of various sizes. 2 of the bins have removable spill mats, are adjustable, and deep enough for gallon storage. All door bins are removable for cleaning. The ice maker and ice storage container are also located on the door. In the freezer are 2 bins, both with sliding divider bars. For more information, call or chat to speak with one of our sales associates.